Wood recycling industry in the UK started roughly 20 years ago when technical development has allowed manufacturers to produce chipboards from a portion of recycled wood. In 1992, the recycling rate of waste wood is only at 2%, whereas such figure rises dramatically to 60% in 2011. The beginning of the millennium saw the establishment of two distinct wood recycling organizations in the UK, the Wood Recyclers Association in 2001 and the Community Wood Recycling Project in 2003. Despite using the same word recycling, the recycling method is in fact very different. Wood Recycler Association consists of over 100 members across the country. They're often high volume limited companies who use machines to chop all the waste wood into chips to make composite boards and biomass fuel. However, products such as MDF made with resin comes with an environmental impact, whereas biomass fuel creates further air pollution after combustion. To the opposite, the Community Wood Recycling Project favors reuse over recycle and energy recovery. It is a network of 32 social enterprises across the country that aim to save resources by rescuing and reusing waste timber from landfill and at best to be downcycled into wood chips. In diverting waste wood that is sent to large-scale recyclers, it also offers a collection service for a charge. After collection, manual sorting wood into piles and subsequent denailing would increase the value of reclaimed wood for resale, whereas smaller pieces of products would be made into products such as benches, tables, and in this case, bookends. Leftover wood during the process would be chopped as firewood for sale as well. So the whole network collected 21,000 tons of waste wood last year, but it actually only accounts for 0.5% of all waste wood in the UK, and more than half still fails to be reused. But with a social aim to creating jobs and training local disadvantaged people, the network in 2017 created 640 volunteers opportunities and 180 paid jobs within the catchment of each franchise. Volunteers are often assigned to conduct tasks such as collecting, sorting, cleaning, and denailing. Such task is often crucial to the reselling of reclaimed timber. Without it, each franchise would simply have to pay somewhere else to do the job, which would increase the cost of reclaimed timber. And what's more, products such as the bookends actually does not involve complicated joint systems. So they both have 3 pieces of wood simply joined with nails. But for this one, dowel joints are further used for structural reinforcement. And sometimes biscuit joints are also used if required by clients, which would ultimately also increase the price of the final product. So it's it's kind of two polarized management system. Here we're looking in terms of scale as well as labor. So on one side, there is the top-down wood recyclers that use machine to chop all the waste wood into chips. And on the other side, it's the community-based business model that welcomes all to buy or use the reclaimed wood for a little bit DIY job at home. So perhaps there could be a middle ground that allows each party to benefit from the advantages of both systems.